In this video, we'll talk about the cost savings that can come with driving an electric vehicle. EVs can save you money primarily through reduced fuel and maintenance costs. EVs require less routine maintenance than a traditional gas vehicle. That's because, from an engineering perspective, they're more streamlined machines. There are no oil changes, spark plug replacements, engine filters to swap, and that's just the beginning. All in all, EVs eliminate over 24 mechanical components that would require maintenance. Over 5 years, it's estimated that EV drivers will save 72% on vehicle maintenance. In certain areas, utility companies and local governments will offer special incentives to EV drivers. So check your local electricity provider to see if you qualify. If you want to see your unique cost savings for both electric and hybrid vehicles, you can use this helpful calculator on the Kia.com alternative fuel page. Thanks for watching. For more on EVs and hybrids, check out the rest of my EV education series.
Kia, movement that inspires.